Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your default Google account on your Android phone. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Now scroll down and tap on Accounts. Here you'll see all the Google accounts added to your phone. To change the default account, you must remove the current default Google account. So select the account that appears first on your list, then tap Remove Account. Don't worry, this won't delete your data. Tap again, Remove Account. A window will pop up to confirm. Simply tap OK. You can add it back anytime. After removing it, go back and tap Add Account. Select Google. Sign in with the account you want as your new default. Enter the password. Then tap Next. After that, confirm the terms and conditions of Google. Select I agree. Once added, this newly signed-in account becomes your default Google account for Gmail, Play Store, Drive, and other Google services. And that's it. You've successfully changed your default Google account on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.